Okay, quick little multi-part video here. I'm at 26,891 miles, 2018 Camo KLR. As you can see, I got the Madstead on. I put a picture on Instagram. And there's where I, for the time being, drilled 2 holes to put a RAM mount for my phone right on the aluminum Madstead piece. But I'm doing an oil change. And that's one of my little tech tips for the day. This is a Eagle Mike low profile drain plug with a magnet in it. And as you can see, something has come up past the ricochet skid plate. Where is it? There it is. And hit the low profile drain plug. So if you don't think you need a low profile drain plug, well, just look at that. Something did go up there and actually put a divot in the low profile drain plug. Luckily it didn't hurt anything else. That's just a little bit of rust, and everything else looks okay because I have proper sockets. This is the original crush washer that came with this. I did buy extras when I bought this, but if you look closely at it, I'm going to try to get an angle here, it really doesn't have too many imperfections in it. Because, come on, focus. Here, let's try this. You know, I can see it better with my eye than I can with this darn phone. But it doesn't have indentations in it because I don't over torque it. Even though I do have spares, never had a leak. So, there you go. Tech tip, don't over this, and this is aluminum, by the way. So don't over torque your drain plugs, and if you think you don't need a good low profile drain plug, which I would not go with the Tusk because they're known for snapping off right there. Never had a problem with an Eagle Mike personally, but even with a ricochet skid plate, low profile drain plug staying up out of the way, it got smacked anyways.